cut across to breaking news coming in. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held a meeting with former defense ministers A.K. Antony and Sharad Pawar. The former defense ministers were briefed by the Chief of Defense Staff, General Bipin Rawat, and Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane on the ongoing conflict on the China border. We have been seeing developments in terms of statements being made by the opposition when it comes to the transparency of situation at the LAC. And now this is the latest development coming in. Former defense ministers A.K. Antony and Sharad Pawar have had a meeting with Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and they were briefed by both the Chief of Defense Staff, General Bipin Rawat, and Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane on the ongoing conflict at the China border and what developments until now have been. Remember, when it comes to the escalation between India and China, the strategy of the government and how it is being resolved both militarily and diplomatically, and coming back to how it is being looked at in the country, this is what the center has now done. Former defense ministers from the opposition now have been briefed about the situation at the LAC to bring in more transparency when it comes to how exactly things are panning out between India and China at the border. Piyush is with me on the phone line. Piyush, tell us in detail about what has happened in this meeting and what is the opposition now saying?
Well, you would remember.
All right, we may have lost that line with Piyush. He will join us shortly to give us more details of this meeting. And I believe he's back with us. Piyush, you were telling us more about this meeting and how the opposition is reacting now with regards to the situation at the LAC.
Well, absolutely, Suresh. You would remember that for the last many days, we have seen as to how the opposition has been raising this issue of standoff at China, standoff with China and the ongoing conflict at the China border. And what we are now given to understand is that Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has held a meeting with former defense ministers, including A.K. Antony and Sharad Pawar. The former defense ministers have now been briefed by Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General Mukund Naravane. This briefing has been done on the ongoing conflict on the China border. We have seen as to how in the last couple of days, the opposition has been raising this issue of the ongoing conflict with China. And now the government has briefed to these opposition political parties about the current situation as to what actually is going on. And this meeting was held with our former defense minister, A.K. Antony, who was the defense minister in UK government, and Sharad Pawar also, who is one of the topmost face of the opposition party. Now we'll have to wait as to how the opposition is going to corner the government. And remember that this briefing has taken place just 2 days ahead of the monsoon session, which is all set to take place from Monday. And we know that there are a series of issues on which the opposition was trying to target the government, trying to corner the government. And before that particular important monsoon session, the government has now briefed to 2 former defense ministers about the ongoing conflict with China. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the opposition now is going to adopt its strategy as far as cornering government on this front is concerned.